Hey folks, I'm Walter, your travel advisor. Very honored and proud to announce that Where's Walter Travel is partnering with Stefanie Mullen and the Sean and Stef channel. As a personal friend of Sean and Stef for well over 10 years, I can't tell you just how, I'm very humbled, to be honest with you, that Stefanie has decided to partner with us. And that basically means we are going to be booking all of her travels moving forward. We're going to be doing some original content with her. Speaking of original content, go check out her Instagram feed right now. She is on an amazing, I think 16 or 17 day cruise that we booked for her. Get this. They're going to start out in Hawaii. The cruise starts in Honolulu, it goes around Hawaii, then they go to Alaska, and they do a full Alaska itinerary that ends up in Vancouver. So they're going to start in Honolulu, they're going to end in Vancouver. Stefanie is posting on her Instagram feed, I bet even as I speak right now, and then of course her vlog is going to be absolutely amazing. So if you've been following along with Stefanie and Sean, you know all about their journey. You know Stefanie is one of the most amazing, positive people you will ever meet. She is absolutely that person that you want to go on a trip with because she just makes your day brighter. She makes the trip brighter. She makes your life better just for having her in your life. So we are truly honored. We are truly proud to be a part of Stefanie's journey. So go check out her Instagram feed and then watch for more original content from us and Stefanie in the coming months.